Tired of dealing with annoying flies, fruit flies, and gnats in your home? The Zevo Flying Insect Trap is your ultimate solution. Don't wait. Check out the link in the video description now to get your Zevo Flying Insect Trap on Amazon and enjoy a bug-free home today.
The healthiest city isn't highly walkable New York, fitness-obsessed Los Angeles, or even one of the outdoorsy cities in the Rocky Mountain states. A small oasis outside of Washington, D.C., Falls Church, Virginia, has the best markers for health and well-being. The town is small, just 2.2 square miles, and is home to about 15,000 residents. But people who live there, on average, live years longer than most Americans, suffer disease at a much lower rate, and the vast majority walk instead of driving. The life expectancy of a Falls Church resident hovers around 77 years, while the national average is slightly over 75 years. Falls Church Mayor Letty Hardy sang the town's praises after U.S. News officially crowned it #1 on the healthiest communities list. The active, social lifestyles of Falls Church residents mirror those seen in blue zones, areas of the world including Ikaria, Greece, and Loma Linda, California, where people tend to live up to 100 or even older. Falls Church earned an overall score of 100 out of 100, with population health specifically scoring a 97, indicating people have easy access to healthcare, are in good physical and mental health, and have a low rate of illness. Mayor Hardy said, "We have been embracing the urban planning concept of a 15-minute city, in which a wide array of amenities are located within a 15-minute walk, bike ride, or convenient public transit option. In fact, 70% of our residents now live within a 10-minute walk of a grocery store, not to mention our weekly farmers market, diverse restaurants, gyms, parks, and civic and cultural life." A total of 29 of the healthiest counties are located in Virginia. U.S. News analysis takes a range of factors into consideration, including community vitality, economy, education, environment, equity, food and nutrition, population health, housing, infrastructure, and public safety. The city's mayor touted its major wins in urban planning, which creates more opportunities for daily active and passive physical activity, which also benefit the mental and social health of our community. This has borne out in the stats. The average number of people who report mental distress every year is far lower than the national average, 11.8% versus 17.1%. And deaths of despair per 100,000 people sits at 47.9, compared to 63.5 nationwide. The prevalence of cancer in the community is about the same as the national average, 6.2% of the population. But the rate of heart disease there is far lower, at 3.5% compared to 5.9%. Mayor Hardy said, "Many residents happily embrace a way of life that can help keep them physically healthy and lower their carbon footprint. E-bikes are multiplying, and our popular fitness centers, busy sports fields and shady, tree-lined streets, along with the Washington Old Dominion Trail, provide plenty of options for healthy activity." U.S. News analyzed 500 counties and cities altogether. Including Falls Church, 4 of the top 20 spots went to counties in Virginia. Other top performers on the list included Los Alamos County in New Mexico, Douglas County, Colorado, Sioux County, Iowa, and Hamilton County, Indiana. Julia Haynes, U.S. News data editor, said, "Evaluating community health is crucial as we consider the well-being of citizens across our country. The healthiest communities rankings examine which communities offer the greatest opportunity to live a healthy, productive life. They also highlight that even the healthiest communities struggle in certain areas. Falls Church's health stats are overall far and away better than those of the country, and even the state overall. But there is room for improvement in other ways. The state's proportion of households that spend at least a third of their income on rent is about 27%, compared to the national average of 23.5%. Mayor Hardy said, "As the little city grows up, we need to continue adding more attainable and diverse housing so more people can share in the benefits our community enjoys. People also need to work 6.5 more hours on average to afford housing there." The net migration rate is -11.1%, meaning more people are leaving than they are moving in. At the same time, Mayor Hardy said the town's population is growing, particularly the small downtown area. The worst performing locations on the list were in Min.